Welcome to the Infinite Academy. Let us read vocabulary words. Set 4. Do you know? The words given in this video are connected to our short stories. Reading these words will help you to read our short stories more confidently. So here we go. Shh. Up. Shop. I buy all my things from this shop. Cold. Cold. I feel very cold. Trees. There's a big tree in my garden. Opened. I opened the window. Oak. It's a magic E word. Broke. Who broke this CD? Dropped. He dropped the mic. Books. I love reading books. GH is silent here. Doesn't make any sound. T. Naughty. Naughty. He's a naughty boy. Ache. It's a magic E word again. Mistake. I made a mistake. I'm sorry. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.